Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of the Get Into Yoruba podcast. It is me, your host, Lade Odunubi, back again with another one. I'm joined again today by Seun. Seun, how are you?
Hi, Lade. Thanks for always having me. It's so cool to be back.
Yay. In today's episode, we are going to be learning how to say certain sentences and phrases using but or however, and then also using because. So these are some connecting words, and Sharon will teach us how to say these words, but then also teach us how to use them in sentences, which is the most important part. Before we get into the episode, like we always say, please, if you have not done so already, please do follow us on our Instagram page, on TikTok, on Spotify, Apple Music, Apple Podcasts, all the places at Get Into Yoruba. Also, if you go on our Instagram page, you'll find Seun's details. So you can follow him as well, and you can get one-to-one lessons with him as well. It's super, super, super important that in addition to listening to this podcast and engaging with this content, you're also dedicating time and resources into learning our language. It's super important, and I hope that you do that. Now that's my bit done. I hope you do your bit, and we will head on over to the episode. Over to you, Seun.
All right. So yeah, just those connecting statements we are looking at, but and then because. So but and however sound similar really in Yoruba because they do the same job in English. To say but or however in Yoruba, you say ṣùgbọ́n.
Ṣùgbọ́n.
All right, so let's use that in a statement. So let's say I want to say I want to eat, but I can't cook.
Right.
Yeah, that's a very painful situation. So you say mo fẹ́ jẹun, ṣùgbọ́n mi ò lè dáná.
Mo fẹ́ jẹun, ṣùgbọ́n mi ò lè dáná.
Nice.
Okay.
Nice. Those two statements can stand alone. Mi ò lè dáná, mo fẹ́ jẹun, but then ṣùgbọ́n can bring them together.
So mi ò lè dáná is cook, like we said
I can't
before.
cook, yeah.
Okay, interesting. Nice. I like it.
Yeah. Another but use case. Mo fẹ́ jáde. Ṣùgbọ́n mi ò tíì wẹ̀.
You want to go out, but you haven't showered. Mo fẹ́ jáde, ṣùgbọ́n mi ò tíì wẹ̀. Okay, so ṣùgbọ́n, it sounds like it's kind of used basically in the exact same way that like but would be used in English.
Yes.
Right? So that's not, thankfully, it's not one of those complicated ones.
Yeah, it really just goes down the way you're using, but you're just joining things together,
Right.
or two different statements or contrasting statements.
Okay,
really.
so how would I say, for example, I want to travel, but I don't have any money. Not me, but how do you say it?
Okay. Travel. Okay. So to say travel would be rìnrìn àjò.
Ah, God.
A journey is ìrìn àjò.
Ìrìn àjò.
Yes, like ìrìn is to walk.
Okay.
Àjò is like
Ìrìn
sojourn.
àjò. Okay.
Yes. So rìnrìn àjò.
Rìnrìn àjò.
So like engage.
To travel.
Yes. So mo fẹ́ rìnrìn àjò, ṣùgbọ́n mi ò lówó.
Mo fẹ́ rìnrìn àjò, ṣùgbọ́n mi ò lówó.
Yes. A bit of cultural nuance would be that Yoruba people don't say, especially with money. I don't know, maybe it's a recent thing, but they don't say mi ò lówó.
Okay.
Yes.
What they say?
Owó pọ̀ lọ́wọ́ mi.
Owó pọ̀ lọ́wọ́ mi.
Yes.
As in, I have lots of money, even if you don't.
Hypothetically.
But if you don't have money, you still say owó pọ̀ lọ́wọ́ mi.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Do you know what? I like that energy. I like it. I like it.
So the way Yoruba person will say it will be, mo fẹ́ rìnrìn àjò, ṣùgbọ́n owó pọ̀ lọ́wọ́ mi.
Okay.
So you're like, why is ṣùgbọ́n coming in? Because I believe they are not contrasting ideas, so they're not supposed to go. But that's just a cultural nuance.
Okay, no, that's really interesting to know. Mo fẹ́ rìnrìn àjò.
Yes.
Ṣùgbọ́n owó pọ̀ lọ́wọ́ mi.
Yes.
That means you have a lot of money. Okay, it's prophetic vibes. It's like affirmations. No, I like it.
Yeah,
I,
actually.
I I love it
Yeah,
actually.
yeah. So, So that, I mean, that's context. Really, Yoruba people, they can say like that. So the other connecting word we have said is because.
Because.
So yes, and to say because is nitori.
Nitori.
Yes, or tori.
Tori.
Yes. So I mean, you can easily say mo ma jẹun nítorí mo lè dáná.
Because you can cook.
Yes.
Mo fẹ́ jẹun.
Mo ma jẹun.
Mo ma jẹun.
Yes.
Nítorí mo lè dáná.
Yes.
And when do you know when to use nitori and when to use tori?
For now, I would say that you can just use them interchangeably.
Okay.
And then, of course, tori is shorter than nitori.
Yeah.
So most people just stick with tori. Like this statement we said. So, mo ma jẹun torí mo lè dáná.
Mo ma jẹun torí mo lè dáná.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll say mo ma jáde torí mo lè. How do I say I can drive?
Mo lè wa mọ́tò.
Mo lè wa as well.
Wa.
Oh my goodness. Wa.
Okay, so it's not too low. It's like re. Wa.
Wa.
Yes.
Wa. Okay, mo lè wa mọ́tò.
Yes.
And that's to drive.
Yes.
Okay, mo ma jáde nítorí mo lè wa mọ́tò.
Yes.
Okay.
And you can also say mo ma wẹ̀ nítorí mo fẹ́ jáde or torí mo fẹ́ jáde.
Mo ma wẹ̀ nítorí mo fẹ́ jáde.
Yeah.
So it's thankfully it sounds like nítorí and ṣùgbọ́n are used in the same way.
Yeah.
So it should not be as complicated for the listeners to be able to like insert them.
I mean, for that one, you can apply the rules of English where it's contrasting ideas for ṣùgbọ́n and then for nítorí it is complementing ideas.
Yes.
So yeah.
Okay, cool. Let me think of any more examples. My sister will I'm trying to think. My sister would come home for Christmas, but she has to work.
Okay.
That's a complicated one.
No, I mean,
no?
It's easy actually.
Okay.
So, I mean, I can say the several. So you can say, ẹ̀gbọ́n mi á ti wálé ọdún.
Okay.
Right? Would have come home for Christmas.
Okay.
Ẹ̀gbọ́n mi á ti wálé ọdún, ṣùgbọ́n wọ́n níṣẹ́.
Ẹ̀gbọ́n mi á ti wálé ọdún.
Yes.
Ṣùgbọ́n wọ́n níṣẹ́.
Yes.
Okay.
Or ẹ̀gbọ́n mi fẹ́ wálé ọdún. Or ẹ̀gbọ́n mi fẹ́ wá sí ilé fún Kérésìmesì.
Okay.
Ṣùgbọ́n wọ́n níṣẹ́ lọ́wọ́.
Ẹ̀gbọ́n mi fẹ́ wálé.
I mean, wálé ọdún is really easy.
Okay.
So, but wá sílé fún Kérésìmesì.
I'm not doing that one.
Okay.
I'm not doing that one.
So,
I want to do the easy one.
Okay, so ẹ̀gbọ́n mi fẹ́ wálé ọdún.
Ẹ̀gbọ́n mi fẹ́ wálé ọdún. Ṣùgbọ́n
wọ́n níṣẹ́. Yeah, so you can either say wọ́n níṣẹ́ or wọ́n níṣẹ́ púpọ̀.
Okay.
Or yeah, wọ́n níṣẹ́ púpọ̀.
Wọ́n níṣẹ́. Okay, cool. How could you say like I want to lose weight, but I like food too much? How do you say that? Is it still the same ṣùgbọ́n?
No, I mean the now is coming in terms of I want to lose weight.
How do you say lose weight?
Thank you for that question. Because again, there are some things that don't come straight to your Yoruba vocabulary because culturally Yoruba people don't talk about those things.
Okay.
Please,
interesting.
This is a disclaimer. I'm not in any way implying anything, but just that we don't see it often.
Okay.
But most Yoruba conversations don't go around wanting to lose weight. Right. Maybe because of how we view it in the African society. Yes. We don't, so it is, so it might be said in the form of saying mi ò fẹ́ sanra.
Okay, like you don't want to get fatter.
Yes.
Mi ò fẹ́ sanra.
So I could
Okay,
say
yeah.
mi ò fẹ́ sanra, ṣùgbọ́n mo fẹ́ràn oúnjẹ.
Mi ò fẹ́ sanra, ṣùgbọ́n mo fẹ́ràn oúnjẹ.
Yeah.
Which means I love food.
Food.
Very good.
So I don't want to add weight, but I love food.
Food. Fair
Yeah,
enough.
that's
Fair enough. And I'm trying to, is there any because? How do you say, I have a good job because I did well in school.
okay. Bon, that's it. You can say mo níṣẹ́ tó dáa
Okay.
torí mo ṣe dáadáa nílé ìwé.
Okay. Mo níṣẹ́ tó dáa torí.
Mo ṣe dáadáa. So mo ṣe dáadáa. Yes. Nílé ìwé. Yeah.
Mo níṣẹ́ tó dáa torí mo ṣe dáadáa nílé ìwé.
Yeah.
Very good. Okay, cool. I think that's it. I think those are all my like top of mind examples, but I think that this has been really clear and helpful because sorry.
Yeah.
It's been super helpful to learn how to say all these different things because I think I've previously the connecting words sometimes is what you struggle with when you're trying to like
make a complex statement.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But it's actually not difficult at all. You just need to know how to use it, which we've learned today. And I hope you've learned today as well. Thank you so much, Seun, as always. Thank you for listening. We will catch you on the next one. Bye.